Good morning from Drayton Manor, where we're here for the special K-pop February half-term event, which is really exciting. I've got a selection of rides available, so it's mainly Thomasland and Accelerator, pretty much the zoo, plus a lot of events that are taking place on the stage as well. Excited?
I'm excited. We've just come for a bit of a wander, haven't we?
We have.
We've got our free returns from the Christmas.
Exactly, yeah.
You've got your annual pass, so it's a cheap day.
Exactly, yeah. So we stayed at the hotel last night. So we've just come across using the hotel entrance. Looking forward to having a nice day here. So the park operating hours for today are from 10:30 until 5:30.
5:30, but the ride's shut at 4:30.
Yeah, and there is actually a 1 hour K-pop show at 4:30. Don't know if we're going to be watching it. I don't know if we're going to be here or not. We'll just have to see how the day pans out. I'd like to. It's a beautiful day. It's blue skies. So yeah, let's go and check out what's here at Drayton Manor. As we've just entered the park now, walking through the Viking land. Sadly, of course, this isn't actually open at the moment. However, we've got all the music going, and so the atmosphere is still great as you walk through this area. It's fantastic land, this. So it's a shame it's not open. However, there should be plenty to keep us occupied today. I've got all the ride boards. They are offering a decent complement of rides. However, it is on a shared opening, so certain rides are opening at some point throughout the day and others opening at other points. A bit like what they did at Christmas. It worked quite well, so hopefully it won't make things too difficult. So yeah, really looking forward to it. It's nice to get back in a park in the UK again for this year. So everything's looking really great. These blue skies are fantastic. A lot of maintenance going on in the closed season here at Drayton Manor. See Accelerator there. That should be opening up later on, all being well. So we'll get a ride on that in a bit. And then we're going to head over to Thomasland first, because I think that's going to be the main focus of the park for today. Well, yeah, these blue skies are fantastic. It's crisp, but it's a beautiful, beautiful day. Just cleaning up the stage there, so it's like there's going to be a few shows. We'll have to have a look at see what time all the shows are on and see catch what we can. Down here, that's the main stage. That's where they're going to have all of the shows. There's a little board out here, so as you can see, there's going to be a K-pop and there's games at 1 o'clock in fancy dress. There's a concert 4:30. More K-pop games at 1 and 3. There's a K-pop dance workshop and there's a show at 5:30 as well. So yeah, we'll try and catch some of that throughout the day. It's nice seeing the park quiet as well, actually. I'm sure I'll get busier throughout the day, but yeah, it's really nice to see it being all chilled out. And we're just going to head down to the zoo first, I think, and have a look at all the animals, take them in. We're just here for a bit of a wander. If we're not here for a full day, we're not too fussed, but and just have a look at the development of what's been going on in closed season and see what's going on here. So yeah, just really excited to be here. So it's always nice to have a wander around the zoo too. Things about coming to the zoo is always seeing the meerkats, and they're very active. This is great. Love seeing all these. This little one down here. Oh, he's very cute, isn't he? Oh, it's just adorable. Love the meerkats. Oh, it's a nice little wander around the meerkats there, having a look at them. Also, I'd love a little look in the reptile house. Didn't film that. Robin's favourite place, though, the reptile house, isn't it? What's really warm, yeah. I'll tell you what's weird, because it's cold today, but it also feels quite warm in the sun. It's a bit weird, but it's just nice having a wander around in the sunshine. Yeah, it is actually. I feel like I want to take my coat off, but I don't know if I take my coat off, it would be too cold. What, the palaver. So there are some animal feeds there today, so you can see some talks and feeds at 12, 1 and 2. So we're going to have a look around the animal trail now. It's quite a nice little wander around this and see some tamarins and monkeys and some other primates that are down here too. Oh, these guys are having a nice time as we wander around this little trail. Having a look at the monkeys. We're just seeing an emperor tamarin, which is nice. They are inside, of course, because it is a little bit cold. Nice little photo up here, of course. Hashtag Tamarin Trail. Oh, it's a lovely day. It's nice to have a wander around. It says this way. Let's just work our way around the trail. Down here, it's going to have a look at the lark gibbon. He's having a bit of a chill out on his branch up there. Having a right good old time. Kids are saying hello to him. Oh. I say it's amazing how many of them are actually out at the moment. Oh, there's one just hanging off the branch further up there.
He's just hanging on the roof.
He's cool, isn't he?
I know.
Yeah, absolutely.
He's just chilling.
Cool. chilling like a village. It's weird seeing the river so full. It's beautiful to see it and it's a nice day, but I've never seen it so full as this before. It's crazy. It's always a beautiful part of the park, that. You see all the water flowing down. I really like having a wander around this zoo here. It's fantastic. Little education centre there. And wander around. There's a little dinosaur walk around and a playground up here too. Okay, so we're at the Dino Trail now. We didn't get to have a wander down here last time, so it's always nice. I've been down here for a number of years. This is quite exciting to have a bit of a wander around. It's quite a good little dinosaur walk around this one. These two here, I'm not sure what they are, but they're both butted heads. Yeah, it's cool, isn't it? So down here we've got a Pachycephalosaurus, which is down here.
It's not real. It is going to be
And a
real.
Dimetron.
Still okay.
It's a nice little wander around this. Yeah, Elasmosaurus, which I guess is that one's just there. Oh, it's a nice little themed area, this. It's always nice when they've got zoos in these sorts of parks. I mean, today's not, I think, because it's a restricted opening today, but it's always nice when they have these little areas in parks where you can come and escape and just have a little bit of a chill out away from the hustle and bustle when it's on a busy day. And it's just something that you can always do, which is nice. You can just get away from it and have a little chill out, have a wander. I'll tell you, someone who isn't having a chill out, that Stegosaurus there, looks a bit angry. A little wander past the playground. It is a little bit muddy today, so we're not going to have a go on the playground, but that's another fantastic playground. I'm just trying to duck out of the way of the camera, bless him. So we're going to head down towards the train now. I think there is something else down here to have a bit of a look at as well, but yeah, and then we're going to head back to do some rides, I think. Sad times, the train's broken down. Never mind, we're just going to walk around over to Thomas Land now instead. It's always nice going on that train as well, so it's a bit of a shame. I was looking forward to a sit down. So let's just wander around there instead. A little wander around the shop, and met Rory as well then actually. So we're going to go and check some rides now, but I'll make this short because I'm going to get a strike now from the music, lots of K-pop. On the Jolly Buccaneer first, which is this, a bit like Backyardigans at Blackpool. Do enjoy this ride, so yeah, I'm going to go on this and it'll be our first ride of the day. A little ride there on the Jolly Buccaneer. It's a fun little ride. Did you like that, Eden? Right? Yeah, good fun. So we're going to go on the carousel. I don't think we've actually ever been on this one now, so look forward to checking this out. Just a nice little ride there on the carousel. I just want to point out there are some themed foods for the K-pop event here. So there's the K-Crunch Burger, which is available at Burger Kitchen. I'm not sure on the price, it doesn't have it on there, but it's a nice little twist because they do also have some Korean chicken available as well. And also over here, they do have a bubble bar, which has been put in as well, so there's all sorts of themed foods for the event, which is really, really good. So I entered Thomas Land. This is the main hub of the event for today. I'd say Mr. Topham Hat, we already met him this morning, so ready to meet him again today, but it's great that he's greeted everyone out here. So let's go on some rides. So the sad news, Troublesome Trucks is not operating. I'm guessing it's the temperature because it is quite cold. Hopefully it warms up and it gets open. It's a shame really because I do really like Troublesome Trucks. I've got a little soft spot for it. I think it's a great little kiddie coaster. But yeah, so we'll see what else we can go on down here. It's a shame because it'll make everything else a little bit busy, the fact that the two coasters aren't open today. We're not too fussed because we're not planning on being here for the full day anyway. Here we go, we're on the lifeboat. It's a bit dizzy this, isn't it?
Deep sea adventure.
Oh, we're spinning around.
Oh my god.
God. It's a bit spinny.
What's that?
Which we're on Troublesome Trucks, it's just opened. And it's a fantastic kids ride there. Eden absolutely loved it. Casper had a good ride as well. I just want to say, I think they've missed a trick. This is a K-pop takeover. However, we're in Sodor. Do you not think they've missed a trick by calling it Sodor Pop? I'm just saying, I think they missed a trick with it. That'd have been ideal. We're heading down towards Crankies now, and the kids can have a go on that. Love Crankies, it's fantastic. Just gone on Crankies. Always love a ride on Crankies. There's a walk on as well. They got really lucky with going on Troublesome Trucks. It's on over 45 minutes now, so it's always worth having a little bit of a wait when you see the activity around the ride entrance. He doesn't like Clock towers. The rocking bull stroke. They're taking the back seats, best seat in the house. So here they go. They do. It's weird because they don't like kpop. They don't like any other of these types of rocking tugs, but they absolutely love this one for some reason. They don't like pirates.
Because they're big enough to go down the road.
Exactly, yeah. Oh, it's a lot of fun. It's great just to be back in a theme park, really, isn't it? It's nice just to be enjoying a park again. Feels like ages since we've been in a park. Oh.
Funny, because the last one we were in was this one.
It was, yeah. It's weird, isn't it?
Not normal.
Bookending our season with Drayton Manor. Oh dear, we're just queuing up for the antique cars and it broke down. But there is a good thing on this because I've just seen accelerators going around, so hopefully we'll get on that and we'll have really good fun. Eden wants to show you what she's got.
I got lollipop from the lolly shop.
She got a lollipop from the lolly shop. It was only £1, so that's quite good. So yeah, hopefully we'll get on Accelerator. You know, it's one of those things. It's opening day. It's not the worst opening day. We're having fun. That's the most important thing. There's a little fountain show going on here, all to BTS. Something another copyright strike right there. But yeah, you can see them going around. I always do like this little show they put on here. It's a fantastic end of day show that they have, which will be on at 5:30 today. If you're still here after the K-pop show, it's always nice to see it, and it's a great addition to the park. Do love seeing it.
Stretch them back up in the air, and then down again, and then stop. Now then, who knows how to do a star jump? A few of you, alright, that's it, we're going to do 10 star jumps. 1, the other way with your other elbow. Amazing, you're all getting the hang of this, very good, very good. Faster, then you're going to stretch your arms up in the air. Jogging on the spot. Even faster. What do we say? Oppa Gangnam Style. That's it, Drayton. Let's do. Oppa Gangnam Style.
Bit of dancing to Gangnam Style there, the original K-pop song. So now we're going to go on to Accelerator. It's opened up. I'm not sure what the queue is. We're just going to go in and have a blast on it. Nice little bit of fun there on the K-pop dance workshop. So yeah, hopefully that came out in the video. It's a nice fun little thing to do, especially in the half term here for the kids to have a little dance in a groove to. They keep you nice and warm on a cold day like today. They're bombing off. Well, I've certainly queued a lot longer for this, so hopefully it won't be too bad. We'll be able to get on. Through the workshop. Oh, it smells a bit here, I have to say. Oh, it's probably going to be about half an hour looking at this. So hopefully it won't be too bad. So we've grabbed some wins now, so we'd have come into a little arcade out the cold to see if we can win some money. And yeah, and little coin pushers. On this one, there's a few key rings and all sorts of stuff. We'll have a look at the other machines that they've got in here as well. But yeah, just decided to come out of the cold and check out what they've got in here. Fruitful visit to the arcade there, didn't we?
That machine was getting double prize.
Exactly, grabs and wins. Except there wasn't any grabs, but there was plenty of wins. I've got to say though, me and Robin didn't actually win on the machines. It was actually the kids that won on this time, wasn't it?
Kind of bad, didn't help.
We'll take the credit for it. Yeah, so we've won. So it was one of the machines. We didn't actually film it. We got it off camera, but it's one of the machines where the arm goes in and you pull forward and it pulls some prizes. Sometimes you win, sometimes you don't. We managed to get 4 prizes out, so absolutely brilliant. We're going to go do some re-rides then. It'll be a case of wrapping up the day. Oh, we've had some re-rides there, and I think that kind of wraps up the end of our day now. We've had a fantastic day. We're just going to walk through the Viking areas. Such a good area this. It's been so well done. I've seen the Excalibur boat, which is just behind me there. It makes me kind of sad really, because it was such a good ride. Both that and the Pirates Adventure were really, really good. But you know what, in terms of today, it's been a really good day. It's been really cold, hasn't it?
As the day's gone on, it's getting colder
Yeah.
and colder, isn't it?
Yeah, I mean, in terms of the ride, the ride availability, I think there's been issues just because it's been so cold, in all honesty, because it's struggled to get above 3 degrees. In the sun it felt quite nice, but it was still very, very cold. But we've had a lovely day. It's been really nice. It's been a fantastic stay in the hotel. If you've not seen that vlog, check that out as well, because it's really worth staying. This area, this Viking area, is really, really good. And the K-pop event is a good event too. It's a shame, I have to say, it's a massive shame we can't stay to watch it because we've got to get back for the kids and we've got a 2.5 hour drive to get home, so we're not staying over tonight. Perhaps we should have done it the other way around, really. But yeah, it's been absolutely fantastic. So in terms, we'll ask the kids. We did do the K-pop dance workshop and that was a lot of fun. Really enjoyed that. And Eden, what's been your favourite thing?
Going in the arcade and winning this.
Going in, and what about the dancing?
Yeah.
You like that as well?
Yeah.
Oh, it's so much fun, wasn't it? And Casper,
Yeah.
what's been your favourite thing, dude?
Arcade.
Okay, see, that's it, grabs and wins, I'm telling you.
I also like the Accelerator, that was nice.
Oh, Accelerator's nice. It's always nice to get on those junior for Vekoma boomerangs. They're a lot of fun, they're great rides, and these guys have been on loads of them. So, Robin, you've not done a great deal of stuff today, but it's been alright.
I had fun looking around the zoo and
Yeah.
just chilling out.
And I suppose that's one of the great things about this park is that even if you're not going on the rides, there is alternative things to go and do and have a look around as well, isn't there? So
Watching the K-pop show and stuff,
Yeah.
like on my own, I'm quite happy.
that's exactly it, isn't it? But it's been absolutely fantastic. So, and that kind of marks the start of the theme park season, really, doesn't it? So we've done that. We've got loads of stuff coming up with the Pleasure Beach, and we can't wait to bring all of that when we come to it. But thank you everyone for watching. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, to subscribe, and for more content. So yeah, let the positivity in, and
Bye,
bye guys.